Sir, good morning, madam. This is Pani from SP Agriculture College, Tirupati. I am pursuing fourth year BSc Honors Agriculture in Anglo University. I am very glad to select under undergraduate inward credit mobility program in Malaysia. My mentor is Dr. Jul Arif Abdul Latif sir. Our supervisors are Dr. Shafika madam and Miss Anija madam. The training assigned for us here is pergola landscaping, rock melon cultivation, propagation. We arrived at UMK Kananthan at 14th of February. We celebrated a welcome ceremony at there. We started travel to our respective universities at 15th of February with Pfizer. We reached by evening. We are allotted to rooms at College Java. We are introduced ourselves to our supervisors that are Anija madam and Shafika madam on 16th of February. They taken a brief section about our project and task, etc. We are 10 members divided into two groups, 5 members each group with the managers Dr. Arif sir and Dr. Ajiji sir. Plot A manager is Dr. Arif sir, plot B manager is Dr. Ajiji sir. This is the first picture that we have taken in plot A. Actually, we're taking training at UPSI. There are two campuses, namely Sultan Abdul Jalil Shah campus, Sultan Azla Shah campus. We are taking training in Sultan Azla Shah campus, which is at Tanjung Malin Perak. This is the way in UPSI to the field. This is plot B where we done pergola landscaping. This is plot A we have where we done rock melon cultivation. Coming to the basic aspects of pergola landscaping. For the first 10 days we are allotted to plot B for our first project pergola landscaping under the supervision of Miss Anija madam through Mr. Ajiji sir. Landscaping means changing a small portion of the land to improve its viability, value and aesthetic look. It completely for aesthetic purpose. It is used for resting place, etc. These are the following steps that we have learned in pergola landscaping. Coming to the selection of the site, this is the site where we have selected for the pergola construction, which is a sunflower plot. Planning of site. Before we constructing a pergola landscape, we decided to construct with the measurements of 3 into 4.5 meters. We first inserted small sticks of 4 sides in the place of pillars for idea purpose. These are the 4 sticks. Then cleaning of the site. After planning, we cleaned the land with grass remover and we used leveler brush also to remove weeds. Then insertion of freestanding pergola. For this purpose, we used 4 pillars or 4 sides. For this purpose, we have digged holes of 1.5 meters. 1.5 feet with the help of the shovel. Then with the help of the shovel, we used to apply the cement for the pillars fixing. This is a spirit level that used to level leveler, measuring the straightness. Then leveling under pergola, we used to level under the pergola for the better using the for stepping stones, so that we used spirit level also that measures straightness. Then placing of rods. For the placing, we cutted the rods with the rapil with the measurements of 60 and 80 inches. Wiring of pergola. These are the softwares that we have used to wiring on the pergola. This is used as a roof of the pergola. Then placing of stepping stones. For the stepping stones, there are various shapes are used. This is the shape we are used for the stepping stones. With the help of the trowel and spade, we use it to mix the cement and water in 3:1 proportion, and sand also. With the help of the trowel, we use it to apply the cement. Then on the upper side, we cement mixed with water is applied for the best leveling. Then designing of stepping stones. These are the designs that we are done on the stepping stones. Along with the pergola landscaping, we have done various works like this is weeding in the nursery, weeding in the leafy vegetable bed at pergola. This is dipping of sticks in sunflower plot. Here we are used to weeding in sunflower plot with using grass cutter. This is fertilizer application of coconut plants. Sowing of the spinach seedlings. We are digging here. We are digging for growing of antigonal plants. This is planting of antigonal plants. Before planting, we are applied rock phosphate and the compost for better growth. This is watering. Coming to the basic aspects of rock melon cultivation. For the remaining 10 days, we are shifted to plot A for our second project on rock melon cultivation and fertigation under the supervision of Dr. Shafika Madam through Mr. Sir. Rock melon, sweet melon is a melon that is a variety of the muskmelon species from the family of Cucurbitaceae. The variety chosen for here is Glamour, which of having duration 90 days. Seed cost for this is 70 Rm for 156 polybags in greenhouse. These are the following steps that we have learned in rock melon cultivation. First, coming to the selection of the site, we selected greenhouse for the rock melon cultivation. Preparation of land. For this, we have removed all the weeds in the greenhouse, and also we filled grow bags with coco peat. We had done piping in greenhouse. We first for the piping we have fixed the laterals to the LDPE. For another side of the microtubes, we have fixed droppers and kept in the middle of the grow bags. Sowing of seeds in progress. Before sowing of rock melon seeds, we soaked them in water for 45 minutes. Then, for every single hole, we use it to sow one seed in progress, filled with peat moss. Then we had watered that with sprayer. This is where we have done weeding. This is the piping system. Transplanting of rock melon seedlings. We are used to transplant seedlings after 10 days. One seedling per grow bag. The intercultivation practices that we have done in rock melon cultivation is wiring. We use it to tie dry ropes and dry wires that is used to climbing because they are climbers. This is the fertigation system and mixing of fertilizer. Whatever the fertilizer that we are used for the fertigation is first soaked dissolved in water. Actually, fertigation is a technique of supplying dissolved fertilizer to crops through an irrigation system. Here we taken two tanks, tank A and tank B. For the tank A, we mixed NPK and iron chelates, and tank B, we mixed macro and micronutrients. These two solutions are mixed in a water tank. It can be mixed up to the EC value reached to 1.5 because this is suitable for the plant growth. Each seedling can intake 0.1 liter per minute. This is where we transplanted. This is the stage of the rock melon seedlings. This is we are using tying dry ropes. This is the fertilizer mixing. This is the EC. The other works that we have involved in rock melon cultivation including weeding in the nursery, sowing of corn seeds. Before sowing, we had soaked corn seeds in water for about 45 minutes. Fertilizer application to the corn plants of 1 month age. Scraping of bedding material of mushroom for proliferation of mushrooms. This is where we've applied fertilizer for the corn plants. This is the sowing of corn seeds in progress. This is scraping of bedding material of mushrooms. Coming to the conclusion, firstly, I say I'm so happy for this selecting for the 1 month internship in Malaysia. Here it is the best experience for us to learn all the things that are not faced before. The new works that we are learned in here is pergola construction, rock melon plantation, fertigation systems, piping, cement mixing, mushroom scraping, compost filled in bags, etc. We also use it to know different implements like spirit level, spade, grass cutter, dust remover, etc. And also we also not know shovel, tooth, harrow, etc. in before. We are well experienced here. Thank you a lot for giving this opportunity.